Nature speaks in whispers, a language of flowing rivers, spiraling currents, and boundless energy. One man listened, one man understood. His name was Victor Schauaberger. A forester by trade but a visionary by soul, Schauaberger saw what others ignored. He believed water was alive, a force to be harnessed, not exploited. He called it implosion, nature's hidden blueprint for boundless energy. Where others sought to burn and destroy, Schauaberger sought to flow and create. He designed machines that mimicked nature, generating power without pollution, movement without resistance. He dreamed of a world where technology worked with nature, not against it. But the world chose another path. The age of industry, steel and combustion roared forward. Schauaberger's warnings were ignored. His inventions were seized. His knowledge buried. What if we had listened? What if we had followed the wisdom of the spiral instead of the fury of the engine? Would we now soar like birds, float like fish, to thrive in harmony with the world around us? The answers may still flow beneath the surface, waiting to be rediscovered, if we dare to listen.